So the next thing is we'll again use the rectangle tool, and we will create a ear shape like that, and we'll use the corner tool, and we'll select these 2 points, and we'll just round it a little bit. And the next thing is we have to create a shade for the ear. So in order to create that, we need the same shape but a smaller one to be added as the shade. So what we can do is, for better visibility, I'll just move it out. I'll just press Ctrl J on the keyboard in order to create a duplicate, and then I'll just select the darker shade. So we have 2 copies, and then by holding Ctrl and Shift, I can just scale it a little bit down. So by pressing Ctrl and Shift, I'll be able to maintain the aspect ratio for the entire shape, and I'll get an equal scale from all the sides. After that, in order to group and make a clipping mask, I can just drag and drop this shade layer into the main layer. So that way this will be grouped also. And if let's say this smaller shape is actually extending beyond the boundary of the original shape, since we actually did the previous method for clipping mask, the bleeded area will not be visible outside of the main shape. So we can actually easily create shades like this. So once that is done, we can just name it here, and this one will name it face. And this ear layer, we can actually move it and align it like this. And after that, we need a copy for the other side also. So again, we'll just select a layer and press Ctrl J in order to make a duplicate. Then we can just right click, go to transform, and we can say flip horizontal. So the shape will be flipped horizontally, and we can just move it to the other side. Okay, once these things are aligned properly, we can just select these 2 layers, and you can use the control open and close bracket in order to align them. For the layer wise, you can align them. So for example, we need these layers to be behind the face layer, so we can just control and you can use the open bracket in order to align them. After that, the ears will be behind the main shape. The next thing is we have to create the hair, or you can actually start creating the rest of the facial features also. So it's actually up to you how you want to proceed to the next stage. So in order to make the shape a little bit more complete, I'll be creating the hair shape. That way we can actually align rest of the facial features like eyes, eyebrows, nose, mouth, everything properly.